Letting God take control is about surrendering and trusting in a higher power. Understanding surrender doesn't mean giving up control, but rather trusting that God has a greater plan for you. It's about recognizing your limitations and seeking guidance from a higher power. To surrender, first acknowledge your limitations. Realize that you can't control everything in your life. There are forces beyond your understanding that influence your circumstances. Trust in God's plan. Believe that God has a unique and beautiful plan for your life. Even when things seem difficult, trust that there's a greater purpose. Practice prayer and meditation. Connect with God through these practices. Express your desires, fears, and concerns, and listen for guidance. Let go of control. Release your grip on outcomes. Trust that God will work things out in the best possible way. Seek guidance from spiritual leaders, mentors, or trusted friends who can offer support. Serve others by focusing on helping your community. This can help you shift your perspective and find meaning in your life. Be patient with yourself and trust that God's timing is perfect. Spiritual growth takes time. Surrendering to God brings benefits, such as increased peace and reduced stress. It can deepen your connection with God and others, and help you discover a greater sense of purpose. Remember, surrendering your life to God is a personal journey. It may involve challenges and setbacks along the way. Be patient, persistent, and trust in the process.